Okay, this is session number 2, and we've got another compress. Just trying it this way around. Same thing here. Doing it this way around, it just feels like we could be more comfortable in the door if this would now be Sandra's left leg would be in the center of the door, and her right leg on the outside with Barbara coming through diving. But just try all of these things, because the better you get at every single launch position, even if it is a little bit uncomfortable. For example, the position that you're in here now, Barbara, is a compressed launch, a D or something like that in your normal four-way slot. And so learning how to do this really well is definitely going to help you out on the four-way. I'm just thinking about comfort as a two-way, having it the other way around. So Sandra's right leg will be out here. But again, like I said, try all of this stuff and get it so that you can actually do any launch in any position from the door. All right, nice little session. Looking good, staying in the center of the tunnel. This is a tough one for showing separation. I think there's a couple. There's definitely one bus later in the session, but it's that grip that goes, I think, for Sandra there. There we go, that grip there. We can see that, and I think the judges would be happy with that one maybe, but there's one later on that I would definitely bust, just to give you a heads up. I don't know what the penalties are on the two-way competition for busting. Here we go. Yeah, good. So that's a perfect example of what I was saying. Is it is not the most comfortable way to do this launch, but you guys do an excellent job. You're solid, you're in the door, ready to go straight away, not wasting any time there at all. All right, so general flying. Sandra, I really like it when I see you like this. You see here how your arms are in front of your body, balancing out those powerful legs that we've got with our booties. But just keep flying like that. Keep working rather than, yeah, so we can start to see how close. See, there's that compressed, like, in fact, there's the compressed grip there, where I think Barbara is just kind of rolling through it, and then Sandra keeps her hand over it. That would definitely be a four-way bust. I'm thinking you should penalize yourself on that as well. And the same again there. So we've got compressed, and then that grip stays on there. So we definitely got a bust on that one. I think, Sandra, maybe you even realized that as well as you were doing it. All right, so Sandra, see how you're trying to squeeze your body around in this gap right now. So we're going from cat, which the amount of cheat, I would say that if your body was on a very similar angle, but with a straighter line here, you would then feel like you could just spin your body around your center point more comfortably, rather than trying to squeeze your body round into Barbara. Well, it's better separation. Yeah, so just that one move there, I would say. Well, two things: separation, really showing the points, and not trying to squeeze too much. And this is a good example here, where you can see, Sandra, your body position is so distorted that when the key comes, also you're trying to reach back for that grip a little bit, that your body is actually tilted slightly to the right, and you have to work to keep it in place a bit more. If you can stay balanced, you're going to find everything way easier. But it's going to take a little while to do that. So I would say invest the next two-way session that you have purely on maintaining your core, keeping everything in a straight line, and feeling like you're using your upper body.